All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the formatting related modifiers for text. So what we've been using right so far is just a regular text with font and foreground. Now what if you want to make this apply some formatting into these? One of the formatting you have already seen, that's actually weight. Okay, now we're gonna apply a little bit, a few more. So bold you have already seen. All right, you can apply italic, okay, to italicize your font. You can apply a strike through, okay, to make it strike through. Now strike through also supports the color for this line, strike through line. Okay, so what we can do here is you can supply the basically if the strike through is enabled or not. So you can supply a flag true or false, and this can be controlled using a state property. And then you can say color, and you can change this to maybe, let's say, a white color. Okay, so that's what your text is gonna look like. Gives it a bit of more character, having a strike through with the same color as the background, because it actually blends in pretty well. You can see that a little bit better if you increase the font, or maybe there we go. Okay, so strike through looks a little bit better in with the same color. Okay, anyways, I'm going to revert it back to the large title. All right, other than strike through, you have your basically underline. Now underline is another one that's actually supported for color. So you can have maybe a black underline, like so. Okay, so that's how you can create an underline or underline with a specific color. Okay, and yeah, so those are these are some of the things that you can support. Foreground color we have already seen, that you can apply the foreground color, and these strike through and everything, you can basically control them if you have, let's say, state property. So I'm gonna create a state property, and I'm gonna say flag is equal to true. Okay, and we can create a toggle here, and this toggle will give it flag, just name flag, and is on, we're gonna bind it to flag, like so. Okay, and if I resume, that should display us a flag right here. I'm gonna add some padding to add some padding around the text, and then we're gonna actually mark these to be not false but flag. So these can be controlled by the toggle itself. So toggle off, as you can see, the modifiers are being applied. Okay, so that's how you can control a little bit more formatting programmatically, if you like, for the strike through and underline, and all the others as well, just conditionally base them depending upon what's your need. Okay, so that's how you control, once again, formatting for your text. And this is it for this video. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you.